Now, for some of us that are yet to understand how this platform works, I'm going to be explaining to you, and I'm going to be making a live withdrawal in this video. Okay, now, but before I proceed with this video, if you're coming across the channel for the first time or you're hearing my voice for the first time, this is the voice of Joaquin. So what we do right here is to leverage online platforms, also make reviews and confirm a particular platform that can actually give legit rewards to its users. Now, if this sounds like what you're interested in, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you turn on the bell notification so YouTube can always notify you whenever valuable content like this is being posted in this channel, and you're welcome to this community. Now, with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial of this video. Now, I actually want to make this video to show some of us how to place withdrawal on your account. Now, the name of this particular update is called work tax. I have made several videos in the previous years about this platform, and we have confirmed the legitimacy of it. Now, when you come right here, you can see that I can just click on this box and my points should be accumulating right on my account. Now, before I proceed in some other things you need to know about this particular platform, when you come down to redeem, you can see that when you have 3,000 coin, that is equivalent to $5. Notwithstanding the gift cards you're seeing right here, you can go ahead to redeem via PayPal. Now, you can see once you have 3,000 coin, that is equivalent to $5. Once you have 6,000 coin, that's equivalent to $10, and so on and so forth. You can see them right here. So it is your choice to go for which you want to go. So when you come down to redeem right here, you can see that I've made a withdrawal of $5, which is the 3,000 coin. Now, when you go over to your home right here, you can see that you can accumulate these points. Now, how do you accumulate these points? You can accumulate this coin just by working, and not compulsorily you work. Okay, now you can also accumulate this point by making shakes on your phone. Okay, that's another strategy we use in accumulating points on this particular platform. Now, I'm going to be showing you some things that can earn you more coin on your account. Now, when you come right here, you can see that you can have a daily check-in on your account. You can see that I've been checking in day 1, day 2, day 3, so you can keep on checking in just like that. Come right here and click on check in today, and ads will be displayed. For some of you that don't like watching ads might display on some occasions. So right here, I have checked in for the day and I've gotten extra 1 coin for myself. Now, another way you can use to leverage this platform is to come over this lucky box and unlock this lucky box for yourself. Now, if I go ahead to click this box, an ad will be displayed. So let me say I click this box right here, it's going to roll and round up playing an ad for you to watch. After this, I'm still going to show you some options you can also use to maximize your funds. And right here, you can see right here, use this, and let's wait. You can see it's actually counting down. Just hold on, take your time, and close the options you're seeing right here. So most times you see the X button to close. So let's click on this and let's hold on. So we can just go ahead to close this. Let's give it some time. It's actually loading. So you can see the X button. So click on that. You can see that we have actually gotten a coin for ourselves. You can see got 3 coins. You can earn more. So if I go ahead to click on earn more right here, it's going to display an additional ad for me. Okay, so right here you can see that you can come right under this gift box to click on this, and you can see the coins are accumulating. Now this box you're seeing right here are boxes that are accumulating your points when you are working or you are shaking your phones. So right here you can go ahead to unlock this box. Now you can also come right here to claim when you invite individuals to this platform. You can see that, so you can come right here and claim that. All right, so once you keep getting your rewards, you'll be unlocking this box right here. Now, another way you can use to leverage this platform is by coming over to tax. Now, I have made videos on how you can go ahead taking this tax, which is just very simple. You can see daily check-in right here. You can get this coin. You can see some of the surveys right here, but right here, if you go ahead taking these surveys, you would not be qualified because there are some strategy you need to get these surveys located to you. So right here you can see bonuses. Also, you can come right here to watch ads. Right here you can see coin videos. Once you click on that, you'll be allowed to watch some videos and accumulate some points for yourself. The reason why I'm showing you all this is to accumulate some points for yourself. So once you click on play right here, you're going to be seeing some other options right here. So this platform does not require much from you. So right here, I'm going to come right to redeem right here, and I'm going to come right to these gift cards. You can see right here that I have over 6,049 coins. So I'm going over to this and I'm going to withdraw to my PayPal. So what I'm going to do is to come down to click on redeem. You can see right here I already have a PayPal link to this platform. You can go right here and change the information right here and paste the PayPal email you want to use for the withdrawal. So I have actually pasted this right here, and I'm going to click on next. So what it's asking me is to confirm this withdrawal, and I'm going to click on confirm and submit. So you can see right here it says within 3 working days, so you are going to be getting your funds into your preferred PayPal account. So click on OK. So you can see that we just placed a withdrawal. You can see the receipt of this. So we are getting $10 onto our PayPal account. And so guys, I was expecting these funds to come in maybe after 2 to 3 working days, but unfortunately I just got credited into my PayPal account. As you can see right here, the date is 29th of August, and you can see the credited amount. So I was shocked to even get it very fast. So there's an upgrade on this platform that once you actually place withdrawal on your account, it is certain you can get it that same day. So I was shocked to get the funds directly into my PayPal account that same day. So when you come right here, you can see that this is the screenshot of the approved withdrawal I made. You can see right here the exact date and the amount I withdrew from this platform. So all you have to do right now is to click the first link on the pinned comment section, so you can be given a welcome bonus. Once you click that, you'll be asked to input a referral code. You can actually find my referral code attached to this video or somewhere around the pinned comment section. Input that so you can be given a welcome bonus that can allow you earn extra bonus, so you can use that to boost your earnings on this particular work task app. So it's very user friendly and it's very easy to navigate. It works on all devices, whether you're using an iPhone or an Android. It is very easy for you to navigate. Start leveraging on this particular app. I've been using this particular app for over 2 years right now, and I have been getting the value from this app. Now, to confirm that I have been using this particular app for over the years, when you come right here, you can actually see redeem. Now when you come down to my rewards, this is actually my second account. I have about 2 to 3 accounts. You can come right here and click on this. This was my first withdrawal right on this platform. So when you come down to redemption time, you can see the time and the exact date I made my first withdrawal with this my first account. Remember I said I have 3 accounts right on this particular app. So you can see right here that redemption time and date is 10th of October 2024. And you can see right here the exact time I placed the withdrawal. So this was my first withdrawal with my first account. You can see right here the first withdrawal I made was about 3,000 coin, and this was about $5 on my PayPal account. So this is to show you that I have been using this particular app for over 2 years. This is 2024. So you can see right here that this person just made a withdrawal of $5 just 1 hour ago. So you can see the information that are popping up right here. So these are withdrawals that individuals are making right on this platform. I have never seen a platform like this that will actually reward you for working. So right in this video, all I just shared is my experience and not a guaranteed reward. So you can actually go ahead, find this, and also making research before you go ahead setting up an account right on this platform. So I decided to give this particular platform a try, and I actually got rewarded for working. So you also can give it a try and see how it works. So that is how to leverage this platform. Like I earlier said, this is my experience shared in this video. So you can actually give this a try and see if it actually works in your country or not, and you can actually come back to give us a review and feedback about this platform. But for me, it actually works in my country, and I've actually gotten some rewards for myself. And so thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you understood and got value from this video, and if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can always notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. It is advisable you join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group, where I run giveaways and also show you some specific ways you can use to leverage online platforms in today's world. See you on my next video and keep winning.